Are you new to remote access and looking for a secure, reliable way to control computers from anywhere? Well, TeamViewer is a leading remote connectivity software that lets you access, support, and manage devices worldwide, perfect for IT support, remote work, or helping friends and family. So here we have our actual TeamViewer. As you can see, TeamViewer is trusted by over 600,000 companies globally, from small businesses to Fortune 500 enterprises. It offers secure remote access, file sharing, and IT management tools, making it ideal for remote work, tech support, and cross-device collaboration. What sets TeamViewer apart is its ease of use, military-grade encryption, and cross-platform compatibility. Whether you're assisting a colleague, managing a server, or accessing your home PC, TeamViewer ensures seamless connectivity without compromising security. In this video, we'll walk you through installing TeamViewer, setting up unattended access, transferring files, and using advanced tools like remote printing and session recording. So without further ado, let's get started. First things first, head over to teamviewer.com. You should be able to see in here this site. So you can click on this free download option right here if you would like to try this. As you can see, we have TeamViewer free and we have in here the actual preferences as well as the benefits for that. We also have in here the plans that allows us with this remote access as well as business. You can see in here their features as well. You can click onto the download option or buy option in order to successfully download it. So I have recently downloaded it and here it is right here. Just head over and click onto the installation option and click onto the file and install the actual app. So here we have the TeamViewer itself. So I have already installed my TeamViewer right here. We have in here the get started option right there. So we have in here the option to upload our photo, add our first contact, and set up remote access and enable two-factor authentication. So this first two can be skipped right now since we will only focus on the technical aspects and not on the customization. Let's click onto the setup remote access on this device. You can edit right here your device alias and click onto this add this device option. Now once you have done that, this device was set up successfully. Now you can see in here this connect with ID option. Your ID and password can be shared with an expert or with other people. You can also connect via ID to remotely access and control your device. So input right here your partner ID. Click on connect right here in order to connect to their device as well. So you can refresh this ID and password. Do take note that if you want to share your actual computer to others, you need to provide this too. If you're the one who's gonna be getting the share option, you need to enter the ID provided to you by that particular person. So here is actually the home page. We also have in here the remote support option. So in this, you can click onto this join session if you want to actually receive support, or if you want to provide support, you can enter your partner's ID or click onto this new session option. If you click onto this new session, it will actually open right here a session server and we have in here the session link as well as session code. Just copy this link as well as the code and then share it to the receiver. Once you're done, you can click onto this and click onto this start option. And then in here, let's wait for the user right now. So once they have successfully entered this particular session, you can head over and then join it and then access their computer through this way. You can also choose one of the options to share the session, like sending the ID or sending the link through this case. Let me head over and then close this for now. Now in here, we also have the devices option. So in here, we have or recent connections, all the managed devices, your computers unknown and offline. For the recent connection, we have none yet. And for the managed devices, we have our own plan right here, our own device. So it will also expand and show you in here all the computers that you can access as well as all of the offline computers that you have connected to in the past as well. Now we also have right here the remote management. So in that way, you can monitor or check various properties of your devices and inform you as soon as possible once those certain check fails. This allows you to fix small issues before they become big problems. So this includes disk space, disk health, CPU usage, security solution, as well as system update. Just click onto this Get Started option and it will give you full access to all features for 14 days if you actually start a free trial. So let's click onto this and you can click onto the Start Free Trial option. And as you can see, trial has been activated. So click onto this Get Started again. Click onto this Activate Monitoring. And in here, you can choose in here all of the available devices that you would want to monitor. For this case, I'll choose in here my device, and if you have more, you just choose all of them and click on continue. You can choose in here the monitoring policy. You can create one if you want, but we also have a default. Now you can click on manage option if you want to create another policy aside from the default one. Click on activate. Once that's done, it will actually activate in here this policy and it will monitor that particular device for those activities that we have mentioned earlier. So in here you can see the devices with alert. Click onto this activate monitoring for that as well. We also have in here the alerts history and it will show you all of the recent history alerts on all of your devices that you have enabled to this case. So as you can see, we have in here an alert for the actual device that we have right now. We have an alert for a system update. You can click on that and then you can head over and then just try to actually solve this problem. You can acknowledge it, open it as well, and automate it as well, or go over to the task manager in order to successfully manage it from there. We also have task automation that can help us with those. You can head over and add a rule, choose a rule execution, triggers, as well as the actual manual or thing that you need to have for that automation part. We also have in here the admin settings. If you have purchased a license using this case, you can input your company name through this. So that's all there is for now for the team viewer. You're now ready to use TeamViewer like a pro. Whether your personal use or enterprise IT management, TeamViewer's tools can save you time and streamline workflows. So if you like this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your network. Subscribe for more guides on remote work tools, and if you have any questions about unattended access or security, drop them in the comments and we'll try our best to answer them. Thank you so much for watching.